Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get into the Style Showdown server in Dress to Impress. So if you're ready to show off your best fashion looks and compete in the ultimate Style Showdown, this video I'll show you step by step on how you can enter the Style Showdown server in DTI and start your journey to becoming a fashion star. So as you guys can see here, there is a new update. Style Showdown is out now and you can play it. There are 7 items and new items that you can get by winning 3 times of the Style Showdown. And to enter or to access the Style Showdown server, you can just click on the Style Showdown on the right side and you'll see the Style Showdown server option. Just tap on that and click on yes, and you can just wait and you'll be directed to the Style Showdown lobby. You can just wait until the Style Showdown server is open. Okay, so here is the Style Showdown lobby. So what you need to do next is just join the Style Showdown server by going to this stage. You can just wait until the game start. Okay, so it will be done within seconds when the player is all complete. Now you'll be teleporting to the Style Showdown. Okay, so here is the Style Showdown. There will be introductions or brief introductions about the server. You can just skip it. And it's still waiting for players, but when the players are all complete, you'll be asked to enter the competition. As you guys can see, there's only Alana explaining you what is the Style Showdown. So you'll be asked to you can see you'll be playing against the fair cast competitors to flaunt your styling ability. Now here you'll be asked to dress in a certain theme, such as this one, pink. Then you need to finish it within 180 seconds. So you need to be hurry to complete all the look from head to toe because there will be eliminations at the end. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.